Good morning, children. Welcome back. We were doing a lesson number 1 in English prose. Yes, that is the camel and the trader. Now, last time I had explained to you who is a trader and what does he do. So, who is a trader? A person who buys and sell things is called a trader. Now, where did the kind trader live? He lived in a desert. Yes. After the whole day, he got tired and he wanted to have some rest. So he rested himself in a tent because it was very cold outside. Yes, and with the trader who was there, his camel was there. But where was the camel? Was it inside the tent or was he outside the tent? He was outside the tent. As the trader was feeling cold, the same situation, the camel also felt very cold. So he peeped inside and asked his master. What did he ask the master? Can you tell me? Yes? Yes, he said, Master, I am feeling very cold outside. Can I put my head inside? Yes, he said that. And what did the master say? Did he say no? No. He said, yes, you can. Because master knows it is pretty cold outside. After some times, what happened? Again, the camel pleaded his master, saying that, Master, I am freezing. It's very cold outside. Can I put my shoulders in? So the master was very kind and he said, yes, I will make place for you so you can come inside. Now let us see what is happening further. After some times, please keep your pencils in your hand. After some time, Master, Master, I am feeling very cold because it was getting colder and colder outside. He had only put his head and his shoulder inside, but rest of his body was outside the tent. Again after some times he calls up his master and say, Master, Master, I am feeling very cold. Please let me put half my body in. Now, what is he asking for? He is asking his master that if it is possible for him to put his half body inside the tent. The master is thinking and saying, okay, well. Now, master also knows because the climate is becoming very cold outside. He was very kind. You all know, no? The master was very kind. So, he said, okay, don't worry. You can put half your body inside. See, in this picture, the camel has come inside the tent. He's put half the body. The tent was not that big. But still, his master was very kind. So, he let the camel half body inside. Now, children, let us see what happened further. Now, as the master was very kind, he allowed the camel to put his half body inside. See, the master, again the camel is saying something to the master. Please, master, please, he's saying. Oh, well, you can. When the camel pleaded the master for putting his half body inside, the master said, okay, no problem. You can put your half body inside. Oh, well, you can, the master said. Why the master said? Because he was a kind master. Yes, he was very kind. He also did not like the camel to be outside in the cold. Now let us see what the camel did further. After an hour, now after so much time, half his body was inside the tent. After an hour, that means after 1 hour, okay? Master, let me come into the tent. Now what is the camel saying? Master, let me come into the tent. Now the camel wants the whole body of the camel inside the tent. He wants to come inside the tent. I cannot bear the cold. The camel is saying to the master, I cannot bear the cold. Yes. What is he saying? Let's hear. Master. The camel is saying, Master, let me come into the tent. I cannot bear the cold. Now it was pretty cold outside, even the camel was feeling very cold. So he asks his master that let me come inside the tent. Then what happened? Because the tent was very small, the master gets up and asks the camel, but where will I go? Because the tent was very small and both of them cannot be sitting in one tent, right? Because the place is very small. The master is asking the camel, if you come inside the tent, where will I go? So let's see what did the camel answer. The camel pushes his master outside. Okay? Now, what he does, the master's self was very kind and he said, where will I go? The camel was very mean. The camel pushes his master outside. See? Can you see? The camel has come and sat in the place where his master was sitting. And he pushed the master outside and he's shouting, outside. So he pushed his master outside and said, outside. Was this a good thing what the camel had done? Yes. You all think the camel what he did was right, pushing his master outside? No. Why? Because he was a kind master. He knows that the camel was feeling cold, so he let the camel inside. But the camel was very selfish and he pushed his master out. So we should not do anything to anybody, right? The person who helps us, we must always be thankful to him, not selfish like the camel. Okay, children, have you all understood? Now, let's read from here. Let's read from here. Okay, now, Master, Master, I am feeling very cold. Please let me put half my body in. Now underline the word feeling. Okay. Now turn your pages. Here. Now, please, Master, please. Underline the word please. Ah, well, you can, said the master. After an hour, Master, let me come into the tent. I cannot bear the cold. Underline the word bear. Bear मतलब भालू नहीं, मतलब सहन नहीं होता. Okay? You cannot bear the cold. Then what happened? But the master asked the camel, where will I go? The camel pushes his master out, outside. Underline the word pushes and outside. Okay? Children, have you all understood this story? Now, let us do a small recap. The story is of a camel and the trader. Yes? Who is a trader? A trader is a person who buys and sell things. Okay? Very good. Now, where did the trader live? He lives in a desert. After the whole day of work, what happened? The trader got tired and he made a small tent where he wanted to rest. And how was the climate outside? It was very cold. And as the master was resting in his tent, he was feeling very nice because he was feeling warm. And who was there outside the tent? The camel. Yes, the camel was sitting outside the tent. After some times, what happened? The camel put his head inside and he asked his master, Master, it is cold outside. Can I put my head in? So, what did the master say? Yes, you can put your head in. After an hour, what happened? Again, the camel was feeling cold. Again, he pleaded his master and said, Master, can I put my shoulder in? The master said, yes, you can. And after an hour again, it was becoming very cold outside. What did the camel ask his master? He asked his master that can he put his half body inside. But the master was very kind. He knows it was cold outside. He let the camel put half his body inside. Then what happened? After an hour, it became more colder. The camel pleaded his master and said, I cannot bear the cold. Should I come inside? Then what did the master say? The tent was very small. Both of them could not stay in the same tent. So the master said, okay, where will I go? So what did the camel do? He pushed his master outside. He said, you go outside and stay and I will be inside the tent. So did the camel do a good thing with his master? No. Why? Because the camel became very selfish. Yes, children, have you all understood? Okay, read this lesson. Please write the words in your English notebook. Okay, dictation words in your English notebooks. I had sent you a PDF file of meanings. I hope you all have written. I'll send you few question answers, 2 or 3 question answers. Please, in your PDF file, again I'll send it to you. So please see and write it in your English notebook. Okay? Bye children.